So guys, we're gonna do the Chubby Bunny Challenge. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so what you have to do is you have to take a marshmallow one at a time and put them in your mouth, and you're trying to say Chubby Bunny until you can't say it anymore, and you tend to spit the marshmallows out.
So I go first?
Doesn't matter. Go. Grab one.
Ready?
Yeah, one at a time.
I'm not going to be able to do this.
You have to say it. Say Chubby Bunny. Oh my goodness.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny. Push it in your mouth. Chubby Bunny. Say it. Say it. Say it. Say Chubby Bunny. You're going over here. Chubby Bunny. Okay, she's stuck on two. I'm going on. Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny. There you go. Chubby Bunny. Ew, I dropped one. That was like 8. I gave up. She's still stuck on 2. I think it's safe to say I won.